Hello and welcome back to Code Sector channel. In this tutorial, we will discuss how to count occurrences in an array. In other words, how many times we can find a value in an array. Okay, in this example, we have a very reasonable use case, which is counting the number of times, or counting the number of months that have a specific amount of days. Okay, so in this array here, we have a constant here holding an array of 12 elements, and this array depicts the number of days each month has from January to December. Okay, so we know January has 31 days, we know February has 29 days, we know March has 31 days, and so on. So to go about this, let me first comment here and say we can say days from January to December. Okay, first things first, what number of days do we want to find? Okay, we want to count the months we want to find are those that have 31 days. So I can just come here and say const days equals 31. Okay, so of course several approaches to this, but we'll use the reduce method here. So what we'll do is this. We need to create a variable to store our results. So I can say let days occurrence equals, then that will be days of the month. Then I will reduce. When I want to reduce, we have our accumulator and a value. Okay, so the accumulator will be like it summarized. The accumulator is a value that will keep working on itself within the reduce method, which is basically a loop. While the value will be each value that is cycled within this array. Okay, so what we want to do is this. These days we'll use it to compare. The days will be compared. So every value in the days of the month within the cycle. So what we're going to do here is when we reduce, need our fat arrow. Then we want to compare the days with the value. Okay, we want to compare the days 31 with the value, and if it matches, we want to add. We'll start from 0, and if there is a match, we'll add 1. If there's another match, we add 2, add 1 again, which will be 2. Then we keep adding like that. That's how it works. So what we want is we want accumulator plus 1 if there is a match. Otherwise, if there is no match, we still want just accumulator alone, and we want it to begin from 0. So I can save, then come here, then reload, then we can inspect. Come to console here. If I reload, it's not showing. There is a problem somewhere. Accumulator. Okay, I'm not consoling yet, so I say console.log days occurrence. Then we can come back here and reload, and we have 8. So that means 31 appears 8 times. Is that correct? You can count quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 months of the year have 31 days. So that's how we count the occurrences in an array. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.